Hi, it is Bhaumik Kaushik, and today I will be actually discussing some of the career options in computer science and how you must tackle those and how much you must plan in advance for the same. Right? I'm Bhaumik Kaushik, a master of computer science with 9.173 CGPA, got 9.635 CGPA in bachelor's, and now pursuing PhD. So I believe I can actually guide you in the right direction. I have taught as an assistant professor on the guest basis in the DU itself, and also have industry experience with the web development. So I believe I can guide you in both the directions, right? Because I've explored a little bit of those. So basically, essentially, most of your basic building blocks of programming skills are laid off within your schools, higher secondary schools, right? And you can actually find your interest at that particular time only, right? If you find interest, if you like to code, and if you actually want to develop something or not. Right now, you might also develop the skills like teaching in the early stage itself, whether you want to explain the concepts to the different person in your class, and whether you like teach at that particular point of time only, so that you can actually plan ahead. Now, coming to the bachelor's, there will be different other subjects along with the other programming skills, which are related to computer science, like operating system, networking, right? But they are very specific to the different fields, whether you want to go to that. Essentially, generally speaking, the companies will come to hire you mainly for, say, development side in the normal colleges, right? And the development is also partitioned into multiple sections. One might be actually related to the development with the C++ and C coding, which is actually related to the hardware level coding, and one might be actually regarding to the app development. App development will be also sectioned into different branches, which I will be discussing in detail in the further videos, but that's actually another branch. One branch actually go for the data science and machine learning and deep learning, for which the machine learning is a must, and you must have knowledge to how to build models, how to make apps, and so on. I will discuss everything in detail, right? So majorly there will be either development or towards the research side, right? If you want to go for industry and do your job and whatever, right? So after BSc, you might be actually getting the opportunities to say go for, say, development side, right? Or might be research side also as a research analyst, or whatever the starting positions are there, right? But if you want to go for teaching, you first need to complete your master's, right? After master's, you will need to complete a net, right? You don't need to study much for the net if you have studied nicely in your master's, right? The course will be same, which will be covering the bachelor's and the master's syllabus, and you will be qualified for assistant professor, right, in any college in India, right? And it will be for lifetime, right? Essentially, so this is how the things are partitioned, right? Either development or either towards research, or towards teaching side is actually from the masters to, and so on. I'm currently pursuing a PhD in quantum machine learning, and yeah,